Is your ballooning to-do list overwhelming you? Do you feel frustrated as you struggle to identify and find time for your most important tasks? Well, you're not alone. Here are my 4 top tips to empower you in quickly overcoming overwhelm. Number 1, prioritize like a pro. Use the Eisenhower box to help easily categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Not all tasks are created equal. Focus on what drives you to your goals and delegate or delay the rest. Number 2, master time blocking. It will be your biggest weapon in reducing context switching, which is a major contributor to reducing overwhelm. Dedicate specific blocks of time to one type of task. For example, set aside dedicated hours for prospecting, replying to messages, follow-ups, and admin tasks. Number 3, plan your tomorrow today. Make your last task of the day investing 10 minutes to plan out your tomorrow. Set clear, achievable goals and identify the top 3 activities you feel are most crucial to your goal. Remember, without a plan, you're only dreaming in color. Eliminate distractions. Make sure that you cut out all distractions. Number 4, limit interruptions. Turn off all non-essential notifications and set specific times to check emails and messages. Every interruption costs you valuable time and contributes to overwhelm. Remember, money loves speed, and your speed is determined by how effectively you use your time. Implementing these tips will help you work smarter, not harder, and turn those precious minutes into closed deals.